Good morning, it's a new day and Cristina and I are sitting under the palm trees waiting for breakfast and coffee. Hi Cristina. We have a plan today
We're leaving.
and our plan is well thought out. But we've been doing this long enough on this trip to know that whatever we plan is likely not to be exactly what happens.
We're supposed to leave at 7:30.
Yes,
It's 9 now.
we're already off the plan. So we're going to take, the plan is to take a bangka back to the main island of Cebu, and then to take a bus or
Cebu.
or a van, whatever shows up, back to Cebu City, and then to hop over, probably in a taxi, to Mactan Island, to a hotel we have booked there, and then tomorrow to fly home to Manila. That's the plan. But you know, we have a lot built in. Even if for whatever reason our plane didn't fly, we just stay in Mactan another day. But I don't think there'll be any issues. I got longanisa this morning.
I got the putsit.
Cristina got the putsit.
I'm eating it now while I can.
Yeah, because we're going to be trapped on a bus for 3 or 4 hours. It's hard to say. At the whim of the bus driver. Maybe we'll get a stop, maybe we won't. Ah, we got roosters. Dogs and chickens around our feet at breakfast. Oh, there they go. Great breakfast as usual. Fun chickens. But it is time for us to get packed. Okay, it is time to leave our little slice of paradise here on, Cristina, make sure I'm saying this right, Malapascua Island,
Yeah.
in the community of
Logon. Yeah.
Logon, by Logon Beach, here on Malapascua Island, which is famous for people being able to dive, not snorkel, but dive with adult thresher sharks. Whoa. Also, a breeding ground for sea snakes. Huh, wow.
Right.
We have been here for 3 nights in the Malapascua Starlight Resort in this giant room, which has 2 big beds,
Yeah.
a couple of chairs, a fridge, nice looking washroom, great shower, just everything you want for a super comfortable stay. Look at the size of this place. Beautiful aircon. It's an older aircon, still gorgeous. Big grounds, quiet at night. It comes in at about $77 a night, which is very nice value. When we arrived later in the day, and it was just nice to come into this glorious location. Anyway, that's what I think. Cristina, what do you think?
Island stay is so nice. It's really nice. This hotel is only few steps to eating area.
Yeah.
6 minutes, according to the guy, 6 minutes from here to the port by walking. There's no tricycle.
Yeah, there's no tricycle on the island. You
Only hubba hubba.
hubba hubba, which is you get on the back of a motorbike.
Yeah, which I can't.
We don't do that.
I don't do that.
If we can help it.
We did the whole island walk, not whole island walk, but we did almost half of the island walk yesterday. It's so hot.
Yeah, walk around. It's all the whole community is surrounded by 2 big beaches.
Yeah.
It's really, really nice. And of course, then there was the snorkeling trips that we went on that I really, really enjoyed. We stopped at 3 different places. I got to swim with baby sharks.
Baby sharks.
I swam on an old Japanese warship, a war wreck sunk in the Second War. and also a place with really cool snorkeling with cliffs and seabirds and underwater sort of cliffs. It's really cool.
And this place, this Starlight, has no rules. You know me. I hate
That's
rules.
right.
There is no rules. So we did our laundry in the sink there and dry it outside.
And they provide places to actually dry your stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. There's not one
You're
rule
free.
here, which is really refreshing.
Love it.
And it's not chaos. I mean, it's
no chaos.
beautifully run. It's run with no rules.
Yeah. There's no rules.
So we're about to roll now. We've
Yeah.
got our plan. We're going to go down. And the banca runs about every half hour, right?
Yeah. We should
Yeah,
go
so that's
like-
pretty easy. So we just roll down, pay, settle up.
Yeah.
We've already paid, but they probably need to check the place, make sure everything's intact, and then we'll just roll down the little thing to the dock. I love these island roads.
I don't know if they're behind.
I know you hear the sound, and you don't know which way to jump. I love this little corner here. All the trees. Very nice. A load going down. Oh. You thought you had a motorbike coming up behind you. Oh, yes. No falling. Here goes our bikes. Hi. Hey. Whew. Yes. Thank you. Here comes Cristina. Hoy, hoy. Salamat. Okay. Now the next phase, we find a bus or a van. Okay, we're off the van in a taxi, heading over to Mactan and our hotel, which is also a casino located right beside the airport. Right now we're in Cebu City by Pacific Mall, apparently. There it is. Oh, we are going on one of the big bridges. There's the other bridge over there. We are all checked in at the waterfront airport hotel and casino. Now we're gonna go find a Jollibee or something like that over at the airport. Tons of restaurants. Oh, we're just making our final plans here in our final hotel room, because when we get back to Manila, we'll be with family. So Christina discovered that we should be at the airport, we just walk across the street at 5 a.m. Whoa, we're pretty.
8:45, 7:45, 6:45, 5:40.
We're pretty hardcore, but wow, that's early.
5:30, Joe.
I think 5:30 is more correct.
5:30.
I think we were given overcompensated early time because our flight is 8:40, I believe. It's 5 seems very early, but we can get in there close. It means though that we've been weighing out our stuff, and yeah, just getting ready to go. Our carry-on's got to come in at 7 kilograms. Our check-in's got to come in at 20. We know we can do that if we sort stuff out. So yeah, I think this is going to go smooth tomorrow. We'll see. Right now, we're just going to go out and get a bite. The other thing is, got all these restaurants over at the airport, which is literally right there out our window. So we just crossed that street over to the airport. We're there, which is what we're going to do right now. Just go down these little stairs and we're at the airport. Right there. Oh, what's that? Taste Delights.
What's that?
That looks more like a standard, eatery. I found a caranderia right in the airport. Cristina. What do we got? We got fish and gulai, right there. The fish is kind of like fish head. Fish head, Cristina?
Huh?
Fish head? Fish head? And the gulai is like a lot of the same vegetables that is in panikpet, right? In fact, is that panikpet? That is panikpet, yeah. Wow, Cristina, you're staying in Vegas. Here it is, Mactan Airport, and our hotel.